Good. Let's try that again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back. I am live on YouTube. I am about to go live on TikTok. Let's do this. Oh, Shiba Inu. What about Shiba Inu? What about Cat Girl? Good morning, Everardo. For after me afternoon. What's up, Hayden? Trump rules. Grant. Hello, hello. I'm preparing myself to answer a million questions over and over again about Shiba Inu. Sorry, I got a message from Begin Crypto. It's an interesting message about all of the above. Okay, oh man, I got to fix something on TikTok real quick. Give me 1 second. Hello again. Prediction on Filecoin. I don't have one. Dogelon going to moon. I care zero. I literally do not care, but I love you. So, hey, Russell, hello everyone. Sorry, I'm not going to say hello to everyone. So, Quant's been underperforming for too long. I mean, it is what it is. Yvonne, sorry, good morning. I wish fundamental season could take over. Fundamental season? What? Hello, Ray. Hello, No Heartbeat. Give me 1 second. Should I go on and vet? Will vet hit $1.20? I don't know. $1.20 seems high. Yes, I am live on YouTube. So hop on over there. I am going to prioritize the YouTube chat. Almost done set up here. Here we go. We're good. Polka Starter. I don't have any price predictions, but good prices for Polka Starter. Super Bowl prediction, man. The Bills against the Packers. Oh my goodness, that makes me want to gag my mouth out. What about Plan B prediction? He was off by a couple $1,000s. I am live on YouTube, yeah. But it's all good. It's all good. Watch my YouTube video. I talked about that. Anchor to $1. 8x DEX. I have not looked into the 8x DEX. So Hero, I don't know what that is. All right. So $1, Robbie. Oh, I mean, I think it's going to 50 cents, but that might be a little too conservative. Cartesi, don't know enough. Is Litecoin going to be the last to pump until Bitcoin pumps? Once Bitcoin crosses its all-time high, alts will pump. Litecoin will pump. I think Litecoin's going to pump big time when Bitcoin crosses all-time high. He means MetaHero. Okay, I don't know anything about MetaHero. Hello, MacNT91. Thank you, Barpinder. Already 40 viewers. Yeah, Zill prediction, $1, $1.50. Telcoin, 20 cents. I'll just bet on your crypto predictions. Thank you. Decentraland. Mana needs to cool off a little bit. So I wouldn't touch it yet. Alliance Block, don't know enough. When is CVO crypto? Why is he so bullish on everything? I don't know. Maybe he's right. He looks at fibs. He looks at lots of technical analysis. So Trios to $800. Wow. Okay. Instead of meme coin season. All right. We need a solid use case project season. That's right. Yeah. Multiverse is pumping. So that's a good sign. Yep. Again, those on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. I can't keep up with the TikTok chat. I did see that Squid Game got rug pulled. I mean, so here's the deal with meme coins. That's going to happen. Unfortunately, someone's going to make lots of money off of you and you're going to be left holding the bag. And so don't go all in on one. Don't go all in on meme coins in general, but like you have $1,000, put $100 on 10 different ones. So anyway, 50 cents. I mean, maybe Robbie, but maybe not, maybe higher than that. H-bar high for November 60. That's a total guess. Waiting patiently for quant. Yep. Be patient. You got to be patient on everything. So are we expected to pull back again before we go off? I don't think we're going to go much lower than where we are now. I'm a little surprised that we are where we are right now with Bitcoin. I was hoping for an November 1st pump that was similar to October 1st. Didn't happen. Not sweating it. I don't know anything about MetaHero. H-bar $2, FTM $15. Any 10 to 20x coins for this bull market. A lot of the micro caps, not the micro caps, but the lowest capped coins on Coinbase, I think a lot of them will 10x by the end. It's going to be at the very end. A leaf, yeah, smash that like button. Thank you. Technically Fundamental, hello. What's up? Just watching yours and CVO's vid. Am I as bullish on Neo and Quantum as Qtum? Not Quantum, Qtum. Quant Stamp, I think that is, as he's more bullish on everything, literally everything except for Ethereum. I am a little bit more bullish on Ethereum. Best time to put Bitcoin profits into alts. I don't know, maybe 100,000 or so. The same guys who wrote the X-Men and Iron Man wrote superdoge.io, only 3.5 million in market cap. I'll look into that. That's interesting. Let's see. Which metaverse have you invested in? I'm in Mana. I rode that. I sold 20% of my Mana the other day. When will Ethereum Classic peak? Probably January. Roosevelt, you're welcome. Thank you, Justin. Really appreciate that. I've not heard of AstroSwap. Trias and Fractal. Madi. I don't know what Madi is, but Trias and Fractal are both going to pump big time. I don't think as much as CBO Crypto says, but what's up, Rob? I'm doing well. ICP, $300. 200, 300, something like that. Elongate, not paying attention. Doge to $1. QTUM, I don't have one. Looking at BLZ. I am interested in metaverse cryptos that haven't pumped yet, so I will look at BLZ. I saw, what's his name, Crypto Mason talking about that. And so, or not, I don't know if he was talking about BLZ, but he was talking about metaverse cryptos that haven't pumped. Listen, summer of 2020 was DeFi season. DeFi pumped like crazy. So if you're looking for something that's going to be similar, it might be metaverse. Taking profits when Trias hits $400. Oh my goodness. Is your end of year target for Bitcoin different? It's different than CBOs if that's what you're talking about. It's $200,000 still. Hey, Zuru, people saying FTM will hit $10. What's your prediction? I mean, I'm saying 15 now. So maybe, 15 might be a little aggressive. I might need to adjust that. Where to buy XRP? You can buy it on Uphold. I'm up in Mana and Litecoin because I listen to you. Thank you. Thank you, Anthony. Mason mentioned Hero as his metaverse. Oh, that's right. It was Hero. Yeah. Glitch is an L1 microcap gem. Okay. Sell Cardano now to buy HBAR for better returns on January. How about no? I'm going to say no to that. And the reason why is I think that Cardano is going to peak in December. And then at that time, you could take your Cardano profits and put it into HBAR or whatever. Will XRP do good come January? I don't know about good. I think it'll do well, So DAG, don't know enough. How would we develop our price targets for exit strategy? I'm not a price target guy. I'm a when you see things pump, take profits kind of guy. And so Mana is a great example of that. Mana pumped like crazy over the last few days. I sold about a fifth of it, and I'll sell all of it at the end, and then I'm gonna back up the truck in the bear market from Mana. So LRC starting to go crazy. Cool. I don't know anything about it. Mina protocol, very raw. Technology is not there, but over the long term, I think it'll do well. So let's see. Just wanted to thank you for your advice. Distributed investments yesterday. Litecoin, Link, AMP, Poly, and Uni. Excellent. Got me staying up every night. It will be worth it. Definitely. Thank you, Alif. All right, Ross. Once this meta stuff cools down in the next day or two, Bitcoin will hopefully start pumping. That might be true, Ross. I hope you're right about that. Do we need to follow an analyst? I'm not sure what you're saying, Amir. VThor peak. I don't have a peak. I'm just as bullish on VThor as I am on VChain. Litecoin, I'm still bullish on Litecoin. I'm wrong about everything. Hey, Lon Loves 75. Welcome to the live stream, Mr. Boomer. Check out my videos. I might have made fun of you just then by calling you a boomer, which I think you might be, or maybe Gen X. But just check out my videos and you'll see that up to this point, I haven't been all that wrong. Okay, so give me some credit. Some people are talking about an economic collapse when the dollar will lose its value. What do you think about that? And where will the value go? Sorry, I missed a couple comments there. Yeah, that's a good question because all right, usually what happens when there's an economic collapse, hello, wise Lamont Youngling. When there's an economic collapse, that means that the stock market crashes. But how can when the stock market crashes, the dollar gains strength? And so because people sell their assets and flee to the dollar. So what happens when there's an economics collapse with the dollar collapsing? That's a really good question. And I don't know. We'll see. If you're watching me on TikTok, you haven't been following my channel, you've got to follow me. I would strongly recommend it. I have been on point for the last several months. So what are your thoughts on Matic? $8. Is this not the tail end of a super cycle from 2013 with Bitcoin top of 80K, the full fib extension? So, Amble, we're gonna see the answer to that question soon. That's the blockchain backer. I talked about him in my most recent YouTube video, which you can watch right here, right there. Watch it, and I give my thoughts on it. I disagree. So hero predictions, I don't have any. Is Litecoin going to drop when Bitcoin has a correction after 100K? I think the market will drop a little bit, but people will take their profits from Bitcoin and put it into other things. When will ETH pump? All right, a lot of these cryptos that you're asking about, all eyes are on Bitcoin. We need to see Bitcoin cross its all-time high, and maybe not even its all-time high. We need to see Bitcoin get back above that May high of $64,900. When that happens, a lot of these altcoins are going to pump like crazy. So ADA is still not moving. ADA doesn't move until it does, and when it does, it moves very quickly. Catgirl, I saw that Catgirl's down. There may be an entry for Catgirl. SHIB, believe it or not, Shiba Inu, looking at the charts, Shiba Inu looks like it could pump soon again. So it's performing well. Let's see. Yeah, look at Astrostrop. It has 100% APR. Maybe one day. SafeMoon. I don't know where SafeMoon is over the last few days, but I still think it's going back to its all-time high. Bitcoin got over 67K. I understand that. And so what I'm saying is it's May peak. And the reason why I'm saying the May peak is because that $67,000 pump was kind of like a flash in the pan. It was a fake out because of the Bitcoin ETF news. So I'm not going to be able to keep up with these comments on YouTube even. Price prediction for Ethereum Classic, maybe $300. But thank you again, Emilio. Would you recommend putting some money into Metaverse Index instead of individual Metaverse cryptos? At some point, yes. Not right now. I want them to cool off a little bit. All right, I'm going back down. I'm going down to the bottom of the YouTube chat. Sorry if I missed your comment. When Bitcoin going to hit up? It can consolidate longer than you can be patient, but November, I believe, is going to be a very good month. Purchase Litecoin at 183. Should I take profits on the way up to 1,500 or just let it ride? Definitely take profits on the way up. Yeah. Is everything still going to plan? You wanted a 63K close. I did. And so, things are going according to plan. I would say everything's going according to plan. I wanted one. We didn't get it. It's okay. The only reason why I wanted one was because of plan B. That was his prediction for worst case scenario for the month of October. And it's fine. It's fine. I would say that the stock to flow model is about 95% reliable. And I'll take 95%. What do you think about Opal? I don't know anything about Opal. Chainlink is a long-term hold for me. I see that question there. Joe Biden ice cream shop. Okay. I think it's going to $100. Alex is good at calling them. You have to give him a lot of credit. Thank you, Richard. Solana ecosystem to skyrocket after the event. It could, or it could be a buy the rumor, sell the news type thing. Emilio the legend. Okay. Do you always sell when RSI goes above 70? Not for Bitcoin. No. Historically, Bitcoin's, well, it depends on the term of the RSI, but no, not for Bitcoin. Finally live on YouTube and not only TikTok, Lucci the Gucci. Yes, sir. Why is nobody talking about leash and bone? I have no idea what leash and bone is. If Plan B works with averages, why does he predict end of the month values? That's a good question, because there was this hot debate and Plan B confirmed he's talking about end of the month. Some people were saying that Plan B was talking about, well, no, we crossed 63,000 already this month, so we're good. And other people were saying end of the month. And it's just, nope, it was actually end of the month, but it's okay. It's okay. What do you think of AMP? I love AMP. Very bullish long-term on AMP. I think it's going to 50 cents. When are you going live with CVO Crypto? Every Tuesday at 4 p.m. Eastern time. Algorand, $7. SHIB price prediction 0.0002. Do you believe it will be a stablecoin? Stablecoin? No. Let's see. Are you adjusting your time frames for the rest of the year? No, I'm not, Nick. Is Doge worth buying and holding for 5 years? In a sense, yes. But Doge, I think, is going to be at 4 cents in the bear market after going near $1 at its peak. I would rather not. Did you get into any of the small cap coins? I bought Fractal. I bought Smooth Love Potion. That's it. I didn't buy a ton of them. Why are you bullish on Litecoin? It's meme coins this bull run. No, No, it's not. I mean, meme coins will go up higher, but hollow price prediction maybe 10 cents. Block and hero price predictions higher, but I don't have any. If SafeMoon goes back to all-time high, I have around 30K again. Yeah, man, there was a point when my Trust Wallet, I have 10 different platforms, but my Trust Wallet was at $50,000 at one point. I had taken a ton of profits, put it in Pancake to stake, and then it went down to like 5,000. That wasn't fun. Can you give a brief summary of mana and why you'd buy a lot during the bear market? Because of the metaverse stuff. You know, this Facebook metaverse announcement, it's clear to me that that's the future in some way, and Decentraland is going to benefit big time for that. Best hardware wallet, and do you have an affiliate link? I don't have an affiliate link. From what I understand, it's Trezor. I don't have a hardware wallet. All right, thank you, Case Law. Can you give us your thoughts about Crypto Car Club on Twitter? Building Web3 game, minting 10,000 cars with different designs. This is the second I'm hearing about that, Case Law 7. Let me look into it, and I will gladly get back to you about that. But I mean, what you said sounds interesting. Doge prediction $1. Let's see if SafeMoon. All right, lots of holiday NFT purchases and gifts this year. That's an interesting concept. It's an interesting idea. Yeah, buying NFTs for Christmas for people. I would not do that this time around. Next year, I would do that. Still see alt season, of course. Bitrise, I don't know enough. Why are you financially advising people when you don't own a hardware wallet? Because that's a funny question. I would rather hold my crypto on exchanges to get returns. The Mt. Gox days are over. These exchanges are much safer than what you're imagining. So nice try. Litecoin November price prediction, 350, 400, something like that. Came into an extra 1K today. Where do you put it for short-term gain? You know what? I'm done with short-term gains. You know, somebody commented on my, what's up, Sambo? Somebody commented on my YouTube video. I don't like doing short-term gains. I answer those questions because people always ask me for short-term gain things. And then somebody commented on one of my YouTube videos like, your short-term gain predictions are trash. And it's like, I don't like doing short-term gain predictions, and your definition of short-term is different than mine. My definition of short-term is, and I'm not talking to you in particular who asked that question. My definition of short-term is like 3 months. Your definition of short-term is today. All right. Follow me on TikTok, by the way. Those of you on the TikTok live stream, you've got to be following me. Sorry. So Evil D, I that wasn't a rant against you. That was a rant against people. A lot of people are bullish on large cap alts this bull run. Sister Beauty, I would say not so large cap, like large cap over the next couple weeks. Yes. 3 months is long term. Exactly, Lit Pretzel. That's what you kids like to think, that 3 months is long term, and it's not. Oh my goodness. All right, Flossy X, thank you. All right, sorry, going back down. Did I take a look at zombie toads? I did look at zombie toads. There were some things that I was like, I was a little concerned about the zombie toads. I need to take a second look because I just wasn't excited about the floor price and the volume and all that stuff. Thoughts on Squid Game rug pull? Don't go all in on any meme coin. If you're going to make money on meme coins, the best move is, I have not revised my prediction on Chainlink. The best move is to spread it out among 10 different meme coins, because some of them will rug, some of them will 100x, some of them will do other things like that. So what's your strategy when it comes to taking profits? What's the smartest way to take profits? When I see something pump, I take profits. That's my strategy. I would say if you see something 3x, take your initial investment out and ride the rest until the end. So fractal price prediction much higher, but I don't have one, at least a 10x. I don't have Trios, no. Sorry. The fact Bitcoin isn't above 63K is kind of making me nervous. I don't know what to expect. Wait it out a little bit. I'm not nervous, but whatever. Which alt do you recommend right now? Meme coins included. Man, Bagheer, I think you would know the answer to that. I've been talking about Litecoin a lot, but that's, ADA is a stable coin. There we go. I don't know. VRA, TEL, Zilliqa. So let's see. NFTs are being looked at by the U.S. government due to embezzlement activity. I wouldn't be surprised about that. What's my Chainlink prediction? $100. Once again, love the info. Thank you. Thank you, Jay Khan. LPR is really taking off. Interesting with the GME saga. I'm not familiar with the connections with LPR and GME, but I'll look into that for sure. Shiba, Rocket. Yeah, SHIB could pump soon again. Bitrise up 139% in 2 days. Excellent. Don't chase a green candle. Thoughts on HBAR $2? Sand price prediction, I don't have one. Do you think the gems on Coinbase will pump the most? The low cap ones will, I believe so. Do you still love Litecoin and why? It's consolidating. Look at the Litecoin Bitcoin chart. It's going to pump like crazy in comparison to Bitcoin. Floki or Elon, Floki, I guess. ASM thoughts, I don't know enough. Hero predictions, I don't have one. ETH 6K, I think ETH will hit 6K this month. So do you see SHIB dropping another 0? Yeah, I definitely do. Good evening. NM, Litecoin 3,000. You know, some people are actually saying Litecoin's going to 3,000. I don't think so. Will XRP outcome case cause another bull run next year? No, XRP will not cause another bull run. Maybe for XRP, there will be some kind of bull run, but not for the entire crypto market. How long is long-term till the next cycle? New update on VeChain 5, November. Do you think it can go to $1? It can. I'm not expecting it to. So long-term is minimum 1 year. Yeah, more than 1 year. How can you easily buy meme coins? You can buy them all on PancakeSwap. Anyone making a meme coin wants access to PancakeSwap. So prediction for Maker, 10, 20,000. Do you know Haka? I know predictions on Haka. I know that some people are saying like 500x. That sounds crazy to me. But you never know. You know, maybe I'm the crazy one. I know all good. You know I'm a long-term holder. Okay, yeah, Evil D. I know you're good. So Quant, not worried at all about Quant. I know that some of you have gotten impatient with it. Quant has pumped like crazy. Quant pumps and then consolidates and then pumps and consolidates. It's consolidating right now. The consolidation is longer than usual, but yeah, November's about to be crazy for Bitcoin. Yeah, so I believe so. Uniswap prediction, maybe 100. Filecoin, I don't have a prediction for that. The Graph, I don't have a prediction for the Graph. My boy CVO Crypto thinks $20 to $25. The crazy hype narrative is changing more and more. How so? I'm not sure what you're saying there. Dropping 6 figures on Litecoin this bear market. Can't wait. All right, I have some thoughts on that. Don't do it until like 2024. But I think in January, everyone will FOMO into XRP. It'll be the last and hardest pump for the bear market. Maybe. Cardano, I still think $8. MetaHero, guys, I know that a lot of people are talking about MetaHero. All right, apparently it's what am I thinking? A metaverse cryptocurrency that hasn't pumped yet. But then Crypto Mason made his video, and I checked out the MetaHero price, and it pumped after his video. So I haven't checked it out since then. It's been about 12 hours, I think, since I last checked it out. So yeah, have some, but 500x seems an overestimation for Haka. I mean, I hope for your sake, I hope it does. I think January, yeah, answered that. Prediction on XRP end of the month. $1.50. How about that? That's a total guess. BitBoy Crypto loves it too. Okay. I don't know anything about XPR. Sorry. What price you say Litecoin at next year? January, $1,500. MTV and Fractal and Xcur. Don't know enough about MTV. Fractal and Xcur, I believe, will 10x at least. And I think that's conservative. VXV going to be on the move? I believe so. Is Binance back up and running? Oh yeah, Binance. Some trouble with Binance. That's a real bummer. I don't use Binance. Trust Wallet has a lot of the same features, so I stick with Trust Wallet. NKN don't know enough. Anchor $1. Saitama don't know enough. $1,500 in 1 year and 2 months. 2.5 months. So Hail Mary ETH price prediction by end of January. I'm sticking with 15,000. When do you think Bitcoin pumps? Sometime this month. You just got to be patient. And once it crosses that all-time high, it's off to the races for altcoins. Vet or Link? Vet 50 cents, Link $100. What are the best narratives to get in now and the worst in terms of returns? Narratives to get in now. Narratives? I just think large cap altcoins are going to pump like crazy after Bitcoin crosses its all-time high again. I've looked into Pi. I've given up on Pi. And then after that, and then it'll just go down the chain, you know, and then December will be Bitcoin time again. I think it's going to peak in December. FCL is at least a 10x in my opinion. How would it crash the stock market influence the crypto market? The crypto market will go down. I don't think the stock market's going to crash anytime before the crypto bull run is over. So, I mean, we're looking at 2.5, 3 months before all the crypto runs over, in my opinion. Holochain is 10 cents. I've said that already. I know that, people are hopping in and out of here, so no worries about that. Thoughts on the Polkadot pump today? It's due. So here's an interesting thing that I've been paying attention to. A lot of these cryptos are sweeping their all-time highs and then getting rejected there and going down. I think they're waiting for Bitcoin to cross its all-time high before they pump some more. So Ethereum did that. Polkadot is near its all-time high. Who else did that? Solana did that. And do I think Bitcoin at 130 by end of the year? I think 200,000. And so it's one of those things. We need Bitcoin to cross its all-time high, and then these alts are going to pump. What are your thoughts on 5x leverage and buying more share but still being safe and not stupid? I think that's fine. I made a video at TikTok last week about leverage and encouraging people not to do it. 5x is okay unless, if you bought 5x now, you get liquidated at $48,000. And so, there's plenty. 20% drops are very common, so you got to be careful when you do the 5x leverage. All right, Crypto Badger, the narrative is changing because it was a wild explosion started in November. Slowly all will release. Even 80K November was a too optimistic prediction. All right, Crypto Badger, there's people like you every live stream. I did say you're right about me. I said that I thought there was going to be a pretty big explosion starting November. And so what? It's like, I just, the fact that hasn't happened yet, like, you're going to be here a week from now. And if that explosion happens, what are you going to say? It's just every step along the way in this run, I get naysayers saying stupid crap. And within a few weeks, they're proven wrong. And that's what I would say to Crypto Badger, who's all trolling in this live stream. Like, just chill, man. It's like, okay, we are 14 hours into the month. And no, I'm not going to block him. I've seen him around. I don't think he's said anything too negative before, but whatever. Am I still mining B? I'm not. I gave up. What do you think about buying land in the metaverse? It seems fine. A lot of people are FOMOing because of influencers are wrong. I'll admit it. Fine. Yeah, half the time you people don't admit it. Look, the on-chain analytics, the on-chain fundamentals are rock solid. They are rock solid. Illiquid supply is not skyrocketing. Wait, yeah, illiquid supply is skyrocketing. BTS, please stop asking if I remember you. Yes, I remember you. Luna end of bull run $100, XLM $2 to $3. Illiquid supply is skyrocketing. There's a bullish divergence on illiquid supply versus the price. Price goes down, illiquid supply rises. There's going to be a short squeeze. There's going to be a massive short squeeze this month. And you're going to wake up and be like, whoa, hold on a second. So thank you, Keith. I'll move on. TLM and MBOX. I don't know anything about TLM and MBOX. Will Robinhood list Shiba? I don't know. My guess is no. Not before this run is over. Thank you, MetaBear. XLM predictions, $2 to $3. Started following you since the Pablo interview where you disagreed with him. No one has been more accurate. Thank you, Kirsty. Yeah, since that Pablo interview, but since Pablo and I went live together, it's like, dude, I've been. It's so funny because people refresh things on TikTok here. Okay. I didn't get the exact day and dollar amount like you guys are used to with me. Sorry if I got disconnected. I hope everything's good now. Loop Ring, don't know anything about Loop Ring. When will AMP hit all-time high? January. Sorry, I'm going back down to the bottom of the chat here. Where can I sell my XRP in January? You can sell it on Uphold. Mining or staking and why? I like staking, but yeah, thank you. I've been deadly accurate. I don't know anything about Nakamoto Games. Algo $7, HBAR $2. Why do you think VXV is performing so badly? Last I checked, VXV had rebounded, and so that's a good sign. I am not worried at all about VXV. Oh, yeah, all right. So VXV is back down to $7 or $8. Not worried at all about VXV. I don't know why it's been performing poorly. What would you invest 2K in ETH in Litecoin? Thoughts on EOS? I think EOS, I'm more convinced that EOS will go back to its 2018 high at least. And so lots of room to grow. So Nakamoto Games is pay to play. Okay. No, you don't hold faith in astrology, but it shows the same explosion you've been saying coming the beginning of November. Yeah, no faith in astrology, but Weatherman posted why he thinks VXV is down. Okay. All right. Which coin will perform best in this bull run? Some random meme coin that I've never heard about. So bought 900K RSR, good choice. It just depends. I think most cryptos, 90+%. Thank you, Nixter. 90+% of cryptos will pump. So let's see. Oh, no. Thoughts on XLM, $2 to $3. Do you get your taxes automatically taking profits? Do you get taxed? You get taxed taking profits, yes. Well, it depends. On a non-KYC platform, could you explain the difference between 0.01 and 0.1? That's a weird question. All right, 0.1 is 10x of 0.01. Do you see Cardano hitting $4 by the end of December easily? Avalanche, $200 to $300. At what exact second will Bitcoin pump? There we go. Listen to you gain 10K in weight. Nice, Justin. Will staking rewards decrease over time, 5 to 10 years? Yes. Can we see your portfolio? I'm not going to show you my portfolio. If you were to watch it's Pablo asking troll questions to test me. Okay. If you were to watch some of my videos, you would see that I have like $130,000 in Robinhood and $100,000 worth of Ethereum and $60,000 worth of Pancake. So there's sometimes I show glimpses of my portfolio, but there's an account copying my videos and pretending to be me. I block like 10 accounts a day. So yeah, I am the real World War Bitcoin. Every other one is fake. Wonderland 69,000 APY. Just be careful with those. I know that Joshua Jake is very, he's been posting a lot of 69,000 APY. I mean, there's a couple things that can happen with 69,000% APY. Either the APY goes down or the price of the cryptocurrency goes down. That's it. So still 1,500 for Litecoin. Yes. Litecoin 1,500. When will altcoins start going crazy? After Bitcoin crosses its all-time high. Any idea when Bitcoin will reach 80K sometime in November? I believe November, yes. Do you personally have any money invested in Shiba? Yes. I took aggressive profits. I sold half my Shiba last week. Solve EMC, good coin. I don't know. If something sounds too good to be true, it generally is. Good comment. Trios price prediction, not as bullish as, not as bullish as CVO Crypto, but CVO Crypto has 100x gainers by January. Is there any of these you have in your portfolio? Smooth Love Potion and what's the other one? Fractal. And I'll add some more, but right now it's more big, large caps that I'm focusing on. Which coins will 100x? No idea. Joshua Jake is promoting a Ponzi. Okay, that was your words, not mine. Your words, not mine. If you're on TikTok, you've got to be following me on TikTok. Those of you live on TikTok right now, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. I can't keep up with this TikTok chat, but I don't know what skill is. But I can on YouTube. So let's see. Avalanche to go ETH levels next bull run. Maybe. I know that price wise, it's pretty high. So love to hear your thoughts on quantum computing and ECC vulnerability. I think technology is going to progress on both sides. I'm not worried about it. Blocktopia, that's at least a 10x. Shib Inu, I think Shib's going to pump again within a week or two or something like that. Top 3 coins to buy today. Yeah, I'm really boring. Okay, so Litecoin, Ethereum, and how about Telcoin? How do you pick your coins that makes profit? I don't know. I mean, they're all gonna. I think a whole bunch of them are gonna make profit. So, your thoughts on Doge, please. I still think it's going to $1. Did you say Hawkeye? I did not. Bitcoin 100K by the end of November. I believe so. Now, I did expect a pump. I wouldn't say I expect. I hoped for a pump on November 1st. It didn't happen. That's fine. But again, illiquid supply is rising like crazy. Bitcoin's illiquid supply is rising like crazy. And And where was I going with that? And if the price is going down, there's a bullish divergence forming, and it's going to. We are in great shape. So XRP next bull run, I don't know. $20. That's probably super conservative. When will ETH top? I think in January. Meta Hero. Getting a lot of questions about Meta Hero. If it hasn't pumped yet, then yeah, it's good. But last time I checked, it was pumping. Yeah, November 1st isn't over yet. It could. Opinions on Crowcoin, very bullish long term. Crypto.com isn't going anywhere. So 50 cents or so. What's going on with Litecoin, and when is it going to move? After Bitcoin pumps, after Bitcoin crosses its all-time high. Do you say Doge to $1 by when? January or so? I think Blocktober will 100x. I hope you're right. I hope so. Would you take profits from DOT and put it into Quant? Yeah, yes. A little bit, not a ton. Name 10 of the top in your head without thinking about it. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, HBAR, Solana, Quant, VeChain. I gave you 8. I'll stop there. Heard about Olympus DAO and Wonderland. I don't know a ton. So how are the APY returns so high? Good question. Good question. Chainlink or VeChain for the win? I think VeChain is going to outperform Chainlink on the way up, but it's also going to crash really hard. Ergo, don't know enough. SLP price prediction, at least a 10x. Crypto Maniac, what's up, man? I wish I followed you when you were talking about Cat Girl so much. I probably wouldn't have bought. So Blockchain Boy said ADA is trash like XRP. He doesn't think ADA is trash. I know. I saw that video. I think it's just he's getting a lot of heat from people because he sold a lot, like 65% of his at $3, and it's like, dude, I think he made the right call. I think ADA is going to go higher. But, he put a lot of that into Polkadot, and look at Polkadot since ADA was $3. Polkadot has outperformed big time. So thank you, buddy, man. Gabriel, wonderful weekend. Yes, sir. Zilliqa, $1.50, something like that. Pretty sure one of the exchanges had created a Doge X Shiba. Kate, welcome. I'm not familiar with you, but I'm just not concerned about that. A Doge X Shiba, I don't even know what that is. Could be bullish news for both? Okay, I see what you're saying. Let's see. See you later, buddy, man. What do you think of Max? Is that Emax, Ethereum Max? I'm not sure what you're asking. Rocket Raccoon. Oh, gosh. Just shoot me. That's what I think of Rocket Raccoon. Just shoot me. Shoot me right in the face. I don't know how to get Fractal on Coinbase using Coinbase Wallet. Is it on Coinbase? Because I know it's on KuCoin. What do you think of Doge GF? Shoot me in the face. That's what I think. Matrix AI Network. Man, a lot of you could just throw out random names of things. There's more than 10,000 cryptocurrencies, and there's like cryptos being created every second. And I'm like, dude, how am I supposed to know about all of these coins? I hope you guys understand that. Like SYN, I don't know anything about SYN. Thoughts on Ethereum in the bear market? I think it's going to go down about $2,500. Totally different news if Ethereum launches ETH 2.0. Ethereum might have a second peak in 2023. Why do you think Bitcoin dumped today? I saw you post about the BTC stock pumping, but when? Today. But Nikhil, it's November 1st. We're 14 hours into the month. Give it time. It's not on Binance. Let's see. What will be Solana all-time high? $600 or something. VRA and Sushi predictions of 5x for both probably is what I'm thinking. I think ADA will beat Solana in the future. Really? I'm more of a Solana guy, but I know people like ADA more. Any gaming crypto picks? They've all gone crazy. It's really hard for me to want to pick one. They still have some upward movement to go for sure. So I've not gotten Cat Girl. Do I need to buy ETH on Coinbase to convert to Fractal on Coinbase Wallet? I don't know. My mana bag went rocket. Yes, sir. Mine too. I sold 20% of it. What do you think of AVAX? I like AVAX. I like AVAX and Aave. They partnered together. I think AVAX $200 to $300. Hero. Again, I don't know anything about Hero. Listen, I know that it hasn't pumped as much as other metaverse cryptos, but I don't know enough to give you opinions on it as a platform. So, all right, not really sure what the plans are for it or that I agree, just that it's happening. Okay, there we go. Patrick, just discovered I like your live chats. Thank you. I'm in a while, but always learning. Thank you, Patrick. NFTs, you would look. I'm not looking at any NFTs right now. I will be looking at NFTs in the bear market, though, for sure. Took profits at Mana. Good. Do you think Solana is an ETH killer? Not an ETH killer. Nothing's going to be an ETH killer. But Solana will eat away at ETH's market cap. Will it ever flip ETH? I don't think so. But Solana is an improvement over ETH. It's just that ETH has calcified in so many ways. 10% on Bitcoin Cash. Any advice? I don't think you should be 10%. I mean, Bitcoin Cash is going to go up like everything else, but 10% seems high. We can't hit 100K Bitcoin without new money entering the space. It's kind of well, we can, but new money will enter the space if we get anywhere near 100K. And once we break 100K, all of your Uber driver, your hairdresser, your classmate, everyone's going to be asking you if they know that you own crypto. Hey, should I get into crypto right now? Altcoin Pay, don't know enough. PYR, Bosun, don't know enough. Yes, calcified. Which coin will do more than 10x this month? No comment. IOTA, bullish on IOTA. Be careful with IOTA. Whales are trying to pay influencers to pump IOTA. And it's a dangerous game because that means that they're going to dump it really hard at the end. Mana needs to cool off a little bit. That's what I think about Mana. AVAX versus DOT in terms of ROI. I'd say right now AVAX. So is your course coming this year after the bull run? I'm hoping to release it in November. Thinking of putting in most of my money into Solana during the bear market. I'm putting a lot of money into Solana in the bear market. Yeah. Theta and hot predictions for peak of the bull run. 50 cents for $50 for Theta, 10 cents for hot. What do you get Fractal on? You can get it on KuCoin. Catgirl. I don't like Catgirl. What platform app to invest in? I like Voyager. Use the referral code ALE749. You get $25 of free Bitcoin, and you'll skip the waiting list. Voyager. XRP price prediction, $8 to $10. Do you think Mana will go higher later this year? Yes, I do. Yes. Why the majority of people still don't trust cryptocurrency? Hey, please let them not trust it. And then one day they won't be able to avoid it. Loop Ring is smashing it. Excellent. What about Cake? Still $100. I've been saying Cake to $100 for a while now. Bullish on Cake. I know that Cake is down right now, and I think what's happening is that people are selling their Cake to buy meme coins, and when those meme coins profit, they'll sell their meme coins to buy Cake. So Cake will rise. You think Theta is a 7x? Yes, I do. What do you think of Baby? Oh my goodness. Yeah, A2, I see your comment there. When you're going to be on Debate Crypto again? Here's the thing about Debate Crypto. I love those guys. Blockchain Backer and Blockchain Crusader. I really like those guys. It benefits them more than it does me. Cake will rise. There we go. Oh, man. So many questions about MetaHero. I'm not going to talk about MetaHero again. I've talked about it several times. Ship to a penny, confidence level out of 10. If you're talking about this cycle, 0 or -1, something like that. If you're talking about next cycle, I'd say like a 2. A 1 or a 2. If you're talking about the cycle after that, if there is even such a thing as a cycle at that time, maybe then. So I think Bitcoin, if Bitcoin's market cap is over $100 trillion, could I picture Shiba Inu's market cap being $4 trillion? And that would put it at a penny. Yeah, sure. Catgirl has too many coins. Okay. VRA 5X from here. You see ETH Thunder being stolen because of fees? No, I don't. All the biggest NFTs are you need ETH. SNX, bullish in general, no price prediction. PYR, I don't know anything about PYR. So I don't think we will have a traditional blow off top. I think only certain coins go parabolic. We've been in a really long bull run with different narrative coins pumping throughout. Faisal, that is absolutely on my radar. And if that's the case, then I think that Bitcoin would peak around $120,000, but it would be a very long week, a very long peak. Like if you remember in May, from February to May, we were in this odd range where we were trending between 42 and the peak at $65,000. But really, we had 4 different peaks above $58,000, and it was a 13-week long thing. Code for Voyager again. A is in Apple, L is in Larry, E is in Elephant, 749. So if that's the case again, trust me, I will be on top of it, and I will let you know if that happens. How reliable is Parabolic Signals? He doesn't agree with your Bitcoin prediction. Yeah, Parabolic Signals and I, we're friends. We disagree on a lot of things. I mean, the one thing that I'll tell you is that Parabolic Signals, I made a video calling out, what's his name, Virtual Bacon, for selling his Bitcoin at the bottom. And Parabolic Signals commented on that video and was like, but it's going down even further. And who was right about that? There is one thing. Parabolic Signals can be smarter than me on 99 out of 100 things. And if you're listening right now, Parabolic Signals, nothing but love for you. But I have earned your trust with Bitcoin. I hope I have earned your trust with Bitcoin. Bitcoin may be the one thing that I'm smarter than him about. If he's smarter than me on everything else. So talking about SHIB to 1 cent ever, LOL. Thoughts on Basement Boy? You're talking about the Blockchain Boy. I love Blockchain Boy. Listen, I'm more open to SHIB being a penny because that means that the dollar will die. When the dollar dies, SHIB will be a penny. So do you know ZT? But the Blockchain Boy is the man. I'm calling him Basement Boy. That sounds like something BitBoy Crypto would say. And BitBoy Crypto is a beta male. He's such a loser. And you could record this and tell him I said that. Not that he knows he might know who I am. We're in the same Telegram group. So do you know if ZT is a good exchange? I don't know what ZT is. What do you mean by if there are still cycles, as in what do you think the future looks like? I could just see it becoming, the cycles extend a little bit every time. Every 4 years they extend a little bit. So what if one day it's gotten to the point where they extend so much that there's no more things about cycles? So thoughts about Wendio, the content creator? She's all right. I don't love her. I don't hate her. We're not friends. I don't follow her. She doesn't follow me. So it is what it is. I'd happy. Thank you, not yo mama. Can I go live with Pablo? Trust me. Pablo does not want to go live with me. I think he knows exactly what I would say and what I would encourage him to do, and he's not going to want to do that. So OMG Network, don't know enough. Adam, $100. Waverly, thank you. PYR, again, Nepsol Gaming, I answered your question. I don't know what PYR is. Suggest an app that lists a lot of metaverse coins, probably KuCoin. XRP end of the year, January, $8 to $10. Does Mana have legs this run? Oh yeah. Sambo, yes, smash that like button and double tap the screen. You're still bullish on all your predictions. I've made like a few revisions, but yeah, I still believe in all my predictions. Didn't you go live with Pablo before? Yes. Aftmos, I went live with Pablo, but here's the thing. It was like peak Pablo season. And so we went live as Bitcoin in July, as Bitcoin was making its way down to $29,000. I said that 28 to 30,000 was going to be the bottom, and he was saying that it was going to go down to 20 or maybe even the teens. I told him no, he was wrong. I ended up being proven right, and now I just want him to admit that he was wrong instead of stop saying that like he's right, that all he ever does is says, oh, who could have predicted this? Best wallet, Voyager for crypto. Voyager is a great one. Yeah, don't buy Squid Games. I see that comment, Ryan. Yeah, Squid Games rugged. So Dot doing really well at the moment. Yeah, I think Dot $200 higher than $200 for Dot. So I've been saying $200. I wouldn't be surprised if CVO Crypto said higher than $200 because he's more bullish on it than I am, on everything than I am. But I know a lot of people who are like, Dot's going to $100. And so who knows? Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. Where do you see ETH and Bitcoin in 2030? Do you think Coinbase and Voyager stocks will crash at the bull run? Yes. Bitcoin over $1 million, well over $1 million. ETH in 6 figures somewhere. Do you think it's a smart idea to open up an ROI or DCA that money into Bitcoin over the years? An ROI, return on investment, an IRA? I would DCA the money into Bitcoin. Thank you so much, Emilio. Have a good day. Do you support Plan B's November and December Bitcoin prediction? Yeah. Yeah, in general. I mean, I've been saying Plan B. DOT's doing well, expecting a pullback. I agree. A lot of these cryptos are sweeping their all-time highs and then going down a little bit, like Ethereum, like Solana. So let's see. Do you support Plan B's November and December Bitcoin prediction? I do. I'd say like to a 5%. I'd say 5% margin for error. Block high Haka, 10x at least. Yeah, Squid Game's rugged. Too late to buy Engine. I would wait a little bit, not a ton. All right, he also said ETH was going to 2,200 like 3 to 4 weeks ago. Declan, I'm assuming you're talking about parabolic signals. Yeah. I mean, I think I've been more accurate than parabolic signals lately. So crypto markets are down. When is a rebound? Sometime this month. And they're down. I mean, we're crying about Bitcoin being down to $60,000. I mean, man, is Coinbase Wallet safe to use? I think it's very safe. Chick-fil-A or Chipotle? Chick-fil-A. There seems to be random coins pumped and dumped daily at the moment. Holding seems to not be working. I mean, probably for you, Steve. For me, holding I mostly own top 50 cryptos. And so, I'm fine. But yeah, if you're holding smaller cryptos than that, you might be struggling a little bit. But just wait till Bitcoin crosses its all-time high again, which is happening this month. Why blanking you? What? Who am I blanking? All right, Voyager code one last time. ALE749. ALE749. Let's see. Tedetit. I don't know how to pronounce that. And 50 cents, yes. Thoughts on Mana? Again, give Mana some time to cool off. Give it some time to cool off. It'll pump higher. Sandbox game or Decentraland? I don't know. I don't play. Thank you, Ryan. I don't play games. So, you know what I do for fun? I look at crypto stuff. What do you predict Litecoin and XLM by January? $1,500 for Litecoin, $2 to $3 for XLM. Julio, I need my own podcast. I'm not super into that, but maybe one day. Bottom line is the bottom line. For those of you on TikTok, you don't follow me on TikTok, you're missing out. I'm telling you, you've got to follow me on TikTok. If you make 100K in crypto, what is your best suggest? Put it all into other crypto or staking USDT. If it was 100K, I would put $80,000 in staking. So thoughts on Kathy Wood versus Raul versus Sailor? Who do you trust? Oh man, that's a tough one. Not Raul. Sorry, I've talked about MetaHero a ton. I'm not going to talk about it again. Sorry. Is your ADA wallet address public? I don't know. No, it's not actually. Superdoge.io, nothing. What's up, Sullivan? Are you predicts on Bitcoin 3 to 4x and why 3 to 4x on Quant as well? Because Quant has pumped. Look at Quant over the last year compared to Bitcoin. That's your answer. Quant has pumped a ton. So, oh man, nature is calling. I'm going to go off of my TikTok live stream right now. I will go live on TikTok later today, but I'm going to keep up with the chat on YouTube for a little bit. And then I'm going to go to the bathroom and then I'm going to do some other things. And then I will go live on TikTok again. So if you want to keep chatting, hop on over to YouTube, World War Bitcoin, and yeah, let's do this. I have devil horns. All right, thank you all on TikTok. Let's see. So to answer that question, Lee, Kathy Wood versus Raul versus Sailor. It's not Raul. Not Raul. Kathy Wood. I'll go with Kathy Wood. Sailor's a Bitcoin maximalist. I like Sailor too. I mean, I like all of them. But Kathy Wood, I doubted Kathy Wood for a while, but she doubled down on her Tesla purchases. at a time when I very much doubted her. So much respect to you, Kathy Wood. I'm going to stop following you, Alex, and follow Emilio instead. He's got money to burn. Who is Emilio? Is Emilio someone in this live stream? Oh, Emilio. Okay, never mind. Emilio, yeah. Emilio Marks, my friend. He's too kind to me. Issue with Plan B is that everyone, even in their mom, is following him now, so he's going to be wrong real soon. You might be right about that, Faisal. I hope you're not. But opinion on PayPal's tweet. What did PayPal tweet? If I don't see, I'm going to look it up. So now that we're all here together on YouTube, PayPal. What's PayPal said? Let's see. What about Litecoin? $1,500. Will market makers will trap us using Plan B? Again, I hope you're wrong. But stay tuned for a big surprise. Money, 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 money. All right. What is PayPal's tweet? I'll get back to that later. I tell it like it is. Thank you. All right. I meant Pablo Declan. I don't remember your first comment, so let's see. Oh, Pablo said ETH was going to 2,200. Okay. Get ETH and XRP. I have ETH and XRP. Cardano's not dying. No. Cat girl, stay away from Cat girl, please, please, pretty please. NFTs, that's another one. I'd say we had peak NFT season. So price prediction for quant over $1,000, but not sure. Have I heard about MetaHero? Yes. I talked about MetaHero a ton. And if it has not pumped since Crypto Mason's video, then yeah, buy some MetaHero. Let's see. Is it wise to put your life savings to buy Bitcoin during the bear market? Life saving, don't buy more than you can afford to lose, but I would encourage any of you to get out of fiat as much as possible, whether that's Bitcoin or Ethereum or real estate or something else. So, all right, this is not crystal ball hour. It's crypto market experience with someone spending their time suggesting venues for us to possibly make money. Yeah. Let us know when you go on TikTok. All right, I will. Thoughts on XRP in 2030? I don't know. I mean, these people saying $10,000 are insane. You know, I just don't know how much higher it can go. I mean, it's just based on where the whole crypto market cap goes. Could I see it at $50 or something like that? Yeah, sure. I could see it 50x from here in 2030. So it doesn't matter at all that we closed a little under 63,000 this month. Joshua, I made a YouTube video about that. I don't think it's a big deal. So I would have loved that. I think a lot of people would have been very excited, and that would have had I think people would have bought, like, I think retail would have come in a little bit more, but you know, Bitcoin, it's designed, it's following its design, and it's following the plan. Feg token, I don't have any thoughts on Feg token, sorry. Elon, I'm assuming you're talking about the cryptocurrency, and nothing. Thoughts on ETH end of year, January 15,000. Yummy, don't know anything about Yummy, so that's why I don't talk about it. Others have changed mine on VeChain. Have you changed back to $1? I'm still 50 cents. So sushi prediction, maybe a 4x from here. Quant over 1,000. Zuru, you're welcome. Do you think Doge will have a big pump before January? Yeah, but I think more so that it's just going to have a big pump in January. Feg token, yeah, I don't know enough. FTM prediction, $15. ETH end of year, answered that. Got $700 in Bitcoin right now. Should I keep it in Bitcoin and move to another coin? Josh, here I'll tell you two things that are both true. One, I will never tell you to sell your Bitcoin. Never, ever, never. And I'm thinking about that real quick. Would I never say, I probably would never tell you to sell your Bitcoin. The second thing I'll tell you is if you sell your $700 worth of Bitcoin and you buy other cryptocurrencies and you're not greedy when things pump, then I think you'll do better than $70,000 than holding your Bitcoin, your $700 in Bitcoin. Chat's way better on YouTube. I agree, Sam Sandu. Hypothetically, if you think ETH will be six figures by 2030, in theory, couldn't we just dollar cost average after the bear run and just stick with that and be rich in 10 years? Oh, average Joe. That is my recommendation, especially to younger people. Younger people, I just want them to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. But what they want is they want their 100x now. They don't want to wait until 2030. The idea for them of waiting until 2030 is like, how dare you? How dare you suggest such a thing? And I'm like, dude, you are going to be broke in 2030. But if you worked your butt off and bought Bitcoin and Ethereum and just kept on dollar cost averaging into it and maybe lived poor for a few years, you would be killing it by 2030. But that's not what they want. Oh, young people, get off my lawn. I'm excited for bear market. Really going to buy a lot of them. Will you do something with us together as we journey? Can we follow you on? Oh, Yvonne, yes, absolutely. Yes, sir. What's the deal with Bitcoin? Can we pull up the charts? BITO options bleeding. Just when be patient. Just be patient. Bitcoin can consolidate longer than you have patience for. So ETH end of the year. Answered that. Did you say XLM 2 to 300? No, $2 to $3. How bullish on you on XRP? I'm bullish. I'm not like crazy about it. Cosmos. So I like Quant better, but I really like Cosmos. And I think Cosmos is going to $100. There's no Coinbase Wallet Pro, right? You have to buy in C Wallet. There's Coinbase Pro. Yes. Best meme coin besides SafeMoon. I love that assumption that SafeMoon is the best meme coin. I hate SafeMoon. How about Shiba Inu? I don't know what to say. Meme coins are like just throw a dot at a dartboard or dart at a dartboard, and that's your best. You'll have a better chance of succeeding with meme coins if you do that than if you do a ton of research. You're welcome, Josh, for the reply. HBAR price in 2025, double digit somewhere. So instead of buying puts on Bitcoin stock for the bear market, what are your thoughts on shorting altcoins during the bleed? Yeah. I think that's fine. So you don't believe Plan B's chart isn't invalidated now? No, he came out, Chip, and said that the predictions are not the same thing as the stock to flow model. I think he acknowledges that he will probably have to revise the stock to flow model over the years. But this was just a different thing based off of, I think what he says, on-chain analytics and supply dynamics. So it's separate. The two are separate. I'm 19 and balls deep in alts. Hope to buy more ETH and bear. Okay. When do you see ETH bear market and what price? ETH is ETH is the X factor for the bear market. So here's the deal with Ethereum. ETH 2.0 is going to change everything with Ethereum. They're going to move from mining to staking, entirely to staking, no more mining. On average, about 13,000 ETH are mined per day. That's going to be cut in a tenth. That's like 3 Bitcoin halvings happening at once. So what's that going to do? I mean, we're already running out of supply, out of ETH. We are running out of ETH on exchanges right now. How much more so when we're not adding 13,000 ETH per day? So in the bear market, what's my price? It just depends on when ETH 2.0 launches. It's one of those things. It's like, so if it doesn't launch, I'd say like $2,500. If it does launch, I could see it going down like 5,000 and then peaking even higher than 15,000, which is where I think it's going to peak in January, peaking even higher than that. And in 2023. So I answered that I put a long answer into that. Sorry about that. If an exchange rejects your sell because of things are going crazy, do you have any recourse or are you screwed? You probably signed some kind of an agreement with that exchange where they have recourse against you. Not recourse against you, but you know what I'm saying. You probably signed something saying, nope, you can't sue us or anything like that. Is Ethereum a long-term hold? For me, I will always be holding some Ethereum. How much Ethereum will I be holding? I don't know. I'm hoping to try to play the game a little bit, sell at the peak, try to buy back in and throughout the bear market, so that I can have more ETH. We'll see. Love that. Get off my lawn. All right, Average Joe. Me and Crypto Mason. Excellent. Rook Coin. I don't know what Rook Coin is. Solana bear market price and next bull run peak prediction. Bear market, a little under where it is right now. Bull run peak, whatever Ethereum, I think Solana 4 years from now is going to be worth what Ethereum is now. So I'm patient, got into BOTOs 2022s for that reason. Exactly. Me too, Chip. I think I got December 31st calls, even though they'll be in the money by December. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not worried about BITO. Is PRQ going to go up again? Price prediction. I've not paid attention at all to PRQ. Let me check it out real quick. The answer is yes. The answer is yes. Yeah, CoinGecko. Let's do CoinGecko. When's the best time to invest in, say, Bitcoin or Ethereum, or does it not matter when? Oh, it matters. It matters. If you're trying to buy long-term, Matt, now is not a good time. Now is not a good time to buy long-term for Bitcoin and Ethereum, because you will find lower prices, in my opinion, a year from now. So 1 year, wow. Yeah, it's struggling. Yeah, I think it's at least going to get back to that April 2021 price. So what do you think of XLM? I love XLM. Long-term bullish on XLM. $2 to $3 this cycle. Saitama, don't know enough. Can't wait to short BITO. Yeah, I'm going to be shorting some miners for sure. Let's see. Yeah, Saitama, don't know enough. I just try to buy some Bone coin on Ethereum. Gas fees is too much. Maybe consider that a blessing, Clarence. Oh, man. Top 3 alts to ape in on for the last stretch, Jerry. Oh, man. Telcoin, Zilliqa, and Litecoin. Do you think with Burns in the future of crypto that Shiba Inu has a chance to reach 1 cent? I answered that already. Let me tell you, 0% chance this bull run. How about a 2% chance next bull run, depending on where the dollar is? And then the 2029, 2030 cycle, maybe more like a 25% chance. Just again, depending on, will the dollar be dead by then? Then sure, yeah, Shiba Inu is going to be a penny. Y'all heard about eCard Inu? Nope. SHIB December end, January 0.0002. Many people say that there will not be any bear market anymore that lasts years. What do you think of that? I think we're going to see a bear market that lasts years. I think we have big money in here now, and I think that they are just as eager to make money on the way down as they are on the way up. So should I focus on buying ETH or ETH 2.0? It's the same thing. If you buy ETH, you buy the ETH token, it will be unaffected, unchanged by ETH 2.0. Cake bear market price, maybe like $5. How can you make a lot of money in one take profits when your coin goes up? Isn't the plan to just let it ride even through the bear market, just hodl? That's my plan for Bitcoin, Jimmy, but man, why would you do that? A lot of these coins are going to lose 90+% of their value. I don't want to hold that through the bear market. Especially, I mean, a lot of them, if you're not talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, some of them will just straight up die. I mean, not quite top 20 cryptos. A lot of those are going to be around 4 years from now, but you get to the bottom, 51 to 100, something like that. I think a lot of those are going to die. If you only had one ETH, would you sell in January? Yeah. Or at least half of it. Moon River, don't know enough. When's the bear market going to begin? I think Bitcoin will peak in December, and then that'll be the start of its bear market, and alts will peak in January. Just tweeted crypto will be insane in the next 3 months. Who did? Me or PayPal? I don't think I tweeted that. Control F, crypto. It wasn't PayPal. But I agree with, Mason. Never mind, Mason. Because, I think everything's going to peak. So follow me on Twitter, by the way, if you haven't, WWBitcoin. You get nothing out of it aside from awesome tweets. So let's see. ICP $200 to $300. Does ETH 2.0 solve gas fee issues? I don't know. I thought EIP 1559 would, but hey, Christian, what's up? Dodo coin. I'm not looking at Dodo coin. There's no, answered that one about Coinbase wallet. Sun. I don't know anything about Sun. Losing patience with HBAR. Can't wait to see it at $2. Hey, you know what? I mean, I could be wrong too, but it's not like HBAR's done poorly lately. So Will you be participating? Oh, wait, hold on. Wouldn't it be smart to sell my Bitcoin Ethereum now and wait to buy back or sell in wait January? Matt, I don't think that's a good idea to sell now. I mean, because in the bear market, I don't think they're going to go much lower than where they are now. So if it's, now, I'd say no. But if Bitcoin were to go up to something like $400,000, I'd be like, ooh, yeah, maybe sell. But I don't know what to say. If any of you sell your Bitcoin, trust me, I'm not going to hate you. I just don't want to do it. And you're probably making the right choice. So block parachain auctions, considering we are in the bull market. I'm not doing that, Faisal. You're welcome, Clarence. Dot to 200, who said ETH would go to 2,200 weeks ago? Pablo did. Where were you putting Litecoin profits in January? Stable coins and staking stable coins. So I shouldn't buy Bitcoin right now and wait for the bear market. If you're wanting to hold it long-term, Tariq, then yes, buy in the bear market. Thank you, Mr. Sam. Will LSS pump again? I believe so, but had a good run recently. Good. Okay. So I think it will. I think it has another big pump in it. So I own 2 NFTs. I see that question. Am I into or do I hold NFTs? I own 2 of them. I was a cheapskate. I bought the cheapest ones I could find pretty much, and they're not doing well. I'll buy more NFTs in the bear market. See you, NoobTube. XRP and VeChain, what's your opinion on both of them? Thinking to sell my Bitcoin to put it in these coins. I think they'll both outperform Bitcoin between now and the peak. So the huge random gains could be whales manipulating the alts. Could be. Do you own any Matic? Yeah, I have, I don't know, like $2,000 worth of Matic. I think it's going to $8. ADA really slacking at the moment. Thoughts? I'm not surprised. ADA slacks and then it pumps. And then it slacks and then it pumps. So that's the thing, goes up but quickly gets back. It's weird consolidation. Yep. Can you give us some insight on when's going to be your bear market course? I'm hoping by the end of this month. So what's up, M? Can't believe how much this channel grew. Thank you. Yes. More people on this live stream now than in a while, but at the same time, give it 6 months and not going to be many people here, but that's all good. It's all good. I'll be chilling in my yacht in the Maldives. I'm kidding. I'm not going to buy a yacht and I'm not going to the Maldives, but when we selling alts, I'd guess January, but we'll see. How many market cycles have you been through? Bulls runs and bear runs? Really just one other than this one. I bought my crypto in 2013, my first crypto in 2013, but that was in the bear market. That was like after things had peaked. It wasn't even that I was trying to I wasn't one of those crazy retail investors buying at the peak. It's just I bought some crypto. I just bought it. Had no idea about these bull runs and bear markets. And so 2017 was the first one. And I will tell you this. When Bitcoin went crazy in 2017, I didn't have a YouTube channel or anything like that. But I was like, no, do not buy Bitcoin right now. Do not do it. And I was one of the few. Trust me, I was. So are we still early to crypto? Yes. Favorite microcaps? I got nothing for you, Brad. I'm sorry. I can tell you what I have. I have Smooth Love Potion. I have Fractal, and that's about it. So would you suggest selling XLM in the bull market, buying back during the bear market? Yes. Thank you, Zuru. Any updates on the course? Still working on it. Taking it slowly, but I'm working on it. So I heard that mainly whales are buying ADA at the moment and impatient retail is selling. That's a good sign for ADA. I hope you're right. Legit hype. Are you going to sell cake and then buy it again in the bear market to stake it? Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Yep. I will sell all of my cake at the end and buy back in the bear market. I'd buy a PJ before a yacht. A PJ. I'm assuming you're not talking about pajamas. If you put out a KuCoin tutorial, people would buy it. Buy a KuCoin tutorial? All right. Alex, you should end your live on TikTok more often and carry on with your YouTube live. You'll get more subscribers on here that way. No, you know what? It's Sam. I wish that was true, but people on TikTok, they hop on over to YouTube and they subscribe to my YouTube channel when I'm live on both. And right now I'm tracking my YouTube subscribers right now, and all right, he did say pajamas. Oh, private jet. Okay, private jet. It's really stressful to be live on TikTok and YouTube at the same time. But it helps my channel, and I hope that those of you on YouTube, don't suffer too much, because I do try to respond to all of your questions on YouTube. So top 3 altcoins, Ethereum. I mean, all right, let's not include Ethereum, because should we call Ethereum an alt at this point? I don't know. But, so top 3, Solana's got to be one of those 3, easily Solana. And I've been saying that since Solana was $20. How about Quant? And do I say HBAR? I do love Binance and Chainlink. It's between HBAR, Binance, and Chainlink for that last spot. So how about I'll just stop there. Is Smooth Love Potion risky because of Filipinos dump? I don't know. So, all right, I don't understand. You just said sell Bitcoin and ETH and buy in January. Do you have doubts of them pumping in November up to December 21st? Jimmy, if I said that, I did not mean to say that. So I don't know when I would have said to sell Bitcoin and ETH and then buy in January. No. So think Cake ROI will still be high in the bear market. Really, I don't think it will. I think it's just going to continue to go down. The more I've thought about it, because I remember, Cake was at $45 or something like that in May, and then it went down to $10, and the ROI increased a little bit. It increased a little bit, but not a lot. So the ROI will increase, but I think it's just going to continue to go down. But I mean, given Cake's market cap, I would be delighted with 20% ROI in the bear market. So, all right, Patrick came over from TikTok. Exactly. Tel or Theta, which is better? I like Theta more, but Telcoin is going to probably pump much harder than Theta over the rest of the run. There is no Coinbase Wallet Pro, right? You have to buy in C Wallet. I don't use Coinbase Pro. But no, you should be able to buy in Coinbase Pro, because that's the appeal with Coinbase Pro is that the fees are cheaper. You should follow CoinsKid on Twitter. He's the gold standard over there. All right, yeah, I'll follow him. I'll just do that right now. And how about you follow me on Twitter? Those of you watching this live stream, CoinsKid. I was given my Voyager referral code. WW Bitcoin on Twitter. All right, I'm following CoinsKid. I don't know anything about him or her. I'm assuming it's a him. So, wow, 2,300 patrons. That's crazy. All right, anyway. The guy only had $100 in Bitcoin and ETH, and that's all he had to play with. Wait a second. Sorry. He said that only if that's all the money you have, you can make some quick money, then buy back. Oh, yeah, okay. Thank you, Christian and Carol. Thoughts on OHM? They have a really big treasury fund, and they're trying to become a reserve currency of crypto. I don't know anything about OHM. But aside from the fact that they have a really big treasury fund and are trying to become the reserve currency of crypto. So, I mean, that sounds good. But yeah, I don't know anything about OHM. All right, Carol came over from TikTok. Thank you. And thank you, Caleb, for following me now. I watch CoinsKid. He's so pleasing to watch. Okay. I'll check him out. Is it a good idea to sell DOT and pick up ADA? If what the previous comment, do your research on this. Is retail foaming out, or whatever the word is, is retail panicking right now and are whales buying? If that's the case, and given the fact that DOT is near its all-time high again, I would sell some DOT and buy ADA. And I might actually do that after this live stream is over. Now that I think about it, I think that's a good idea. So, I heard ETH2 is coming before January. I hope so. Allison, here's the deal. They always delay it. They always delay everything with EIP protocols. So EIP 1559 was delayed. I mean, it wasn't delayed that much, but ETH 2.0, we've been talking about ETH 2.0 for years. And so I would love it if ETH 2.0 launched before January. But we'll see. Coins Kid does Godly TA. All right. I'll check them out. Half of my crypto is in Webull for trading, the other half in 4 different exchanges for long term. Is this okay? Trying to avoid all the fees. Seems fine. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of that because here's my story, my sob story. You know, I still have this in there because I want to sell it. You know, I want to pay as few taxes as possible. But a long time ago, I bought crypto on Robinhood, and I still have it there. I have plenty of crypto other platforms, but like that crypto is not staking. It's not getting me rewards. You know, I'm getting almost 6% return on my Bitcoin every month, 6% annually, but every month. And I would love to be able to do that, but I can't transfer or exchange my crypto out of Robinhood. But if you're doing it for trades, I mean, it's kind of weird if you're trading. What are you trading between? Because there aren't that many cryptos on Webull, but I mean, I guess I staked Solana for 9.9% APY on Binance. Is it any better in the US? I don't know of anywhere that does 9.9%. So a link to my Twitter. WW Bitcoin. I mean, let's see. Here we go. I'm going to type it in. I can type it in. There we go. Ask and you shall receive. It might not show up as a link in the live stream, but there you go. Polkadot Parachain auction November 11th. So bad time to sell down. Oh, good point. Aside from the possibility that could be a buy the rumor, sell the news type thing, which, you know, there's always the fear of buy the rumor, sell the news. I'm not saying it is. It could be that DOT explodes after that, but that is a good point. Should I sell my altcoins in the high of the bull, even though I bought under a year? Yes. Yes. Lee, why are you asking the same question again? I've answered it twice. I'm not going to answer it again. ETH2 is far. VB was in Romania recently, and he let us know that it's a long way there. Yeah, there we go. CQT bullish, yes, and I know nothing about it. I think you said you would sell if you had a small amount. If you're referring to that Bitcoin comment, yeah. Matt Starwood at 231, scroll back quickly. Readdress for clarity, please, Alex. Huh? No. I'm telling you what I believed, what I know to be true, and that is no. I would not sell my Bitcoin or Ethereum now. No way. That's what you need to hear. I don't need to readdress whatever I said, Jimmy. No, do not sell your. I mean, all right, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Yada yada yada. That's what I will tell you. I think. All right. Yeah, I think you would sell if you had a small amount. So even then, I'd be like, oh, all right. I think I understand. So I said two different things. I said I'm never going to tell somebody to sell their Bitcoin. And then the thing that I said was, if you were to sell your Bitcoin right now, you would probably, and you're not greedy, you would probably make more money in alts between now and the peak. That's all. But it's more of a gamble. So Robinhood might have a wallet soon. I hope so. Sure, Webull will probably follow. I had bought most of my ETH, ADA, and Litecoin before I understood the difference. So is the bear market for Bitcoin and Ethereum in January? I think things are going to peak in December and January. How far can Telcoin run to? Why are you so bullish on it? All right, I'm about done. All right, we're past it, Carol. Why? I don't get it, Matt. Not Matt. Lee Inc. Lee. Are you asking that question and then not listening to my answer? All right, I'm hitting a wall right now. I'm done. Sorry. So how far can Telcoin run to? I'm done with that. Would I ever promote a meme coin? No. I'm bullish on it given its market cap, given the things that I read about it from Trader 360 on Twitter, giving things that they're trying to do. And I'm just bullish on the market in general. So for me to say a 10x, it's like, yeah, I could do that. So thank you all. Yeah, thank you, Christian. I saw that. All right. See you all another time.